What up, guys? Today's video, I want to talk about the advantage of using your job. What do I mean by that? By using your job, I mean that you use your job for your fitness goals. Meaning, if you have like a job where you are on your feet all day, or you have a chance or an opportunity to be on your feet all day, you should use that opportunity. Like, use your job to burn calories. Like, if you have a job like mine, for example, like this one, I have a lot of free time on my hands, so basically I get a couple customers throughout the day, but mostly it's all empty. So I'm all alone here, no one to oversee whatever I'm doing. So basically, just yesterday I had to do a calisthenics workout. So basically, Monday, right now my training routine is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I do a full body weight training workout in the gym, and then Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday I do a calisthenics HIIT cardio workout with no equipment. So basically, I had extra time yesterday. Yesterday was a Tuesday, so it was my HIIT cardio day, and I basically did the HIIT cardio right here at work. So when I could get home, I could just chill, So that's one way of using your job. Or let's say you have a job like this where you have a lot of free time and you have an opportunity to stand on your feet or to do anything, like just do something physical. And I know that sounds like exhausting because a lot of people are tired from their jobs, but trust me, guys, like, if you do just a little bit more activity throughout the whole work shift, that's at least 8 hours of extra activity. And that's basically called NEAT. So non-exercise activity thermogenesis, basically. It's the calories you burn, during the day just by doing little activities. So you can burn a lot of calories. Like, you could definitely burn 400 or 500 calories just by doing that, because you're doing it for a long period of time, because you're doing it for 8 or more hours. So that little type of activity, like just standing up, just stand up, walk around if you have an opportunity. If that's the most you can do, just do that. Just try to walk around for as much time as possible. Just stand. That's gonna burn more calories than sitting down. Or just, if you have an opportunity, do something physical. Do something physical, or just use your job to do your workouts. Like, I doubt a lot of you have jobs like this where you have a lot of freedom, so you can't potentially do your workouts at work. But if you can, use your job. So yeah, basically, use your job to burn calories, to do your routine. Just take that opportunity, so then when you get home, you can basically chill, or you can get better results if you're burning more calories in your work, so you gotta think a little bit. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Definitely like, leave a comment, and subscribe.